Er bringt seiner Mutter einen Tee. He brings his mother tea. Sie kauft ihrer Schwester eine Kette. She buys her sister a necklace. And Carl erzählt seinem Kollegen ein Gerücht. Carl tells his colleague a rumor. What they all have got in common is that they have two objects. You can see a red group here, and you might realize already that they have similar endings, or actually they have the dative endings, which will be explained later. And we have an accusative group here, which is the second object. So, bring, buy, and to tell are verbs that in every language can have two objects, even in Chinese or Martian or any dialect you know, because whenever you bring something, you can bring it to someone. You don't have to, but you can. So these verbs are universal. You don't have to learn them, especially because you realized it's identical to English. So there's a few specialties which I call rules. You can call them any other way you like, but in case there's two objects, there's always one dative, and the dative is always the receiver of the second object, which is always the accusative, and most of the time it's an object. Of course, you can give a dog to some person, but in general, it's a thing you give to someone. There's 3 exceptions only, which is nice because it's not much. Lehren, kosten und fragen. Oh, there's an N missing. So to teach, to cost, and to ask. And when you say, I ask you a question, you would have to say, ich frage dich eine Frage. And you can hear it's 2 accusatives. And the third rule is that there's a special order. Whenever you have 2 objects, the question arises, which one first? Usually it's dada, it's really dada. That means the dative before the accusative. Unless you decide to use a personal pronoun for the accusative thing, for the accusative object, like ihn, es or sie. When you have ihn, es or sie, this comes first. So the rule actually is accusative personal pronouns first. Sounds a bit like ladies first, so maybe that helps you to remember it. But in all the other cases, it's very dada, dative before accusative.